So this is the simplest way you can actually connect your wallet to that of the clouds. Okay, so clouds is actually going to launch on Solana. If you take a look here, you're going to see where it said connect Solana wallet right here. Okay, so you just basically want to connect your Solana wallet, and the one that I'm actually going to use is actually called a Phantom wallet, which is by far the most popular Solana wallet so far, and it's very secure. So to do that, what I want to do right now is I want to open up that app. So right here, this is the Phantom wallet that I'm talking about. So if you go to your Play Store, wherever you're downloading your apps from, you can actually get this. Okay, so I want to open Phantom wallet right now, and then if you open it up, if you haven't actually registered, you can go through the registration, just copy down your seed phrase in a paper, and then you'll have this particular interface. So right now what I want to do is just, since I'm actually going to receive an airdrop, I want to go, you will have three tabs right here. We'll have send, and then we'll have receive, and then we'll have something like buy right here. But what we want to do is to receive, so we're going to actually hook up with that of the receive button right here. So I want to tap on this plus sign, and then it's going to open up this interface where we'll have Solana, and then we have what is it called, Ethereum, and then we'll have Polygon, we'll have Bitcoin. So but the one I want is actually this particular one that is actually called a Solana. So you want to tap on this icon that says, and if you take a look here, see where it says copied. So we'll have that on the clipboard. What I want to do right now is to go back to the clouds right here. Okay, and then I want to touch on this place where it says connect Solana wallet, this place. So if you touch that right now, it's going to attempt to open up this interface for you guys. Okay, so I just basically want to make sure that you want to paste your address right here. Okay, so this is basically where you want to paste. So I want to go ahead right now and paste what I just copied, and then we are going to see your submit button right here. So just touch on that and submit. So you go ahead and hit on submit, and then if you hit on that submit, you're going to see that it's going to get your Solana wallet address copied, and then it's basically going to put it right here. Really very simple. Okay, so you don't need to do anything extra, and maybe if you want to earn some extra coin, you can go to the tabs, the task section right here, and then perform some of the tasks that is actually going to display here. As for me, I haven't actually performed all, but I've done quite a few. Okay, so you can do that to earn some more clout, and that is just basically how you can connect your wallet, and it's pretty very simple, right? So if you like the video, just give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this with people around you so that they can also connect theirs. Okay, so this class is actually going to launch anytime sooner, so we need to make sure that we get ourselves ready and then prepared to get the airdrop by connecting our wallet, and that's just that. So follow me if you want to have more videos of this nature, and for those watching me through YouTube, you can subscribe to my channel right now. So thanks for watching, guys, and then I will see you in the next one.